run. Go on with it, go on with it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Mia. I make videos for the girls that don't know how to do their hair but don't want to go pay hundreds of dollars and get their hair done. So basically what we're going to do is sit here and we're going to struggle together. The hairstyles I do, they're not hard, but they might not be easy for beginners, so that's why I try to talk you through as much as possible. This particular video I wasn't going to post because I have hundreds of videos on this technique of twist. But the hairstyle came out so cute in the end and everybody kept asking me for it, and I'm like, I literally do this twist all the time, but y'all still wanted it, so here I am. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to part. Make sure that you're putting your boxes not on top of each other. They have to be off a little bit. If you put your boxes on top of each other, it's going to look like you have gaps in your head. We don't want that. Y'all know I cannot part. I have never been good at parting. I probably will never get good at parting. So here I am, struggle parting. Do not judge me. Just do better than me. I always get asked, how do you do the back of your head? And I use multiple mirrors. When I say multiple, I mean 2, and then I also have my phone recording. So sometimes I look in the mirror, sometimes I look at my phone. But I tried to show the full screen so you guys can kind of see my actual mirror setup. There's one behind me, there's one in front of me. Honestly, most of the time I cannot see, so I just feel my way through it and just hope I don't look crazy. And it's the back of the head, so even if it do look crazy, why you looking so hard, sis? Stay on my head. Now I'm applying the rubber bands. If you missed the part in the beginning, please put the oil on top of the rubber bands, rub them in, let them sit. This is how you prevent breakage. I do not play about my hair. I do not play about my hair health. I do not play about any type of damage in my hair. So I would not tell you guys anything that I wouldn't do myself. I use the rubber band method multiple times. They're not tight, and I always put oil on them. This is just really quick to give you a view of like how my little boxes look. Here's the hair. I will put the name in the description box. I ordered my hair from Amazon, but I believe it's available in a regular beauty supply, but I will also put the link in the description box. So you're going to put the crochet needle through the rubber band. This particular look, I wanted them very fluffy and thick, so I used 2 strands of hair. So now you're going to lock the second piece of hair and pull that through. Apply edge control to your natural hair and then keep some close by, because the whole time you're going to be applying it to the twist. Make sure you're actually twisting your hair, not just overlapping strands. Pay attention to my twist technique so they can be very neat and clean looking. Again, I put the crochet needle through the rubber band. Make sure it's open. You're gonna lock the hair to the crochet needle, close it, and then pull it through. Most people knot it at this point. I don't knot it because I don't need all that tension in my hair. So now you're gonna get a second strand, pull the crochet needle through, put the strand in the needle, lock the crochet needle, pull it through. Make sure you're actually twisting your hair, not just overlapping the strands. You have to twist your hair. So you can really see on this clip how I'm just feeling my way. I cannot see nothing because that's directly behind me. So I'm just kind of feeling my way through. And then I'm also showing you how one side of the strand is a little bit thinner than the other. So I'm pulling it through a little bit, so whenever I'm done twisting, the thin end of the twist is what hangs free. And that's very important on this style because of how we're going to do our ends. So up here, I'm just trying to give you a better view of how I'm doing things. I know you might see a couple loose strands in the back, but that was me experimenting and just kind of doing stupid stuff. So ignore that. I left some strands free trying to do the whole goddess twist look, but it wasn't giving what I wanted to give. So please ignore that part. Be very gentle with your edges. We don't want anything pulling, snagging, or anything being too tight. If it feels like it's too tight, please just stop and do it again. Really quick, if you're not subscribed already, please press the subscribe button, like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate that so much. It helps my channel out and it also helps me continue creating. So this is me just showing you how the thin part is at the end and how I knotted my ends. What we're going to do later on is dip these ends, and I wasn't sure if that was going to cause the twist to unravel or not because I've never done it. So I just decided to knot it just in case. Still to this day, I don't know if you actually need to knot or not, but I knotted it and that's what I did, and I dipped it and it didn't unravel. So look that I'm going for, and this is after I dipped the hair. Y'all, I was so scared. I was tired. My anxiety was high. It was a lot going on. I looked stressed. Like, you could see it in my face. I was so stressed out. But I just kept going because I'm like, this is what I want. I dipped it. It didn't get as straight as I wanted it to. So I rodded it up and dipped the rod. And it gave me a really nice curl. The curl that I wanted. So let's see. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted. That's it, girl. It's a little tight, but it'll do. So yeah, I pretty much did every twist like that. Ultimately, the look I was going for was the same fluffy twist, but I wanted very loose ends. It came out exactly how I wanted it to look, but I did not like the goddess part, so that's why I kept it out the video. But ultimately, I crocheted some hair into my twist, and I will make sure I put the video in the corner because I have a video on that as well. I wrapped a few of my twists in white string and embroidery string. So if you don't know how to do that, I have a video on that. I'll put that in the corner. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.